Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected sport bike with ABS brakes. It's got adjustable levers, smoke windscreen, only 11,780 miles. Beautiful two-tone green and black. Make your middleweight sport bike twin-cylinder dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.